Today, we're showing you exactly what we brought into the Walt Disney World theme parks for our baby.
Including what we actually used, what made the parks easier, and a few things we probably didn't need to bring.
But, in case you're new here, we're Andy and Jenna, better known as a couple travelers.
We help you make confident decisions about your vacations,
so the trip you book delivers real value and lasting memories.
Most importantly, you need a good stroller to get through the theme parks. That is a must. And so we knew we wanted a travel stroller. Specifically, we weren't gonna come with like our big UPPAbaby. We needed something more manageable for airports, for theme parks, going around the resorts. So we got the Inglesina Quid 3. We've absolutely loved it so far. It has a lot of great features, but the one-handed fold is great. The way it folds too, the fabric does not touch the ground, which is very good for a place like Walt Disney World because the ground is dirty. So this has been really great. It reclines 150 degrees as well, so Cam naps in this. He sits up fully as well, which has been great. And there also is a zero gravity strap as well, so when it's folded up and you put it on your shoulder, it makes it feel even more lightweight than just the 14 pounds that it is. So a good stroller is definitely a must. But the stroller and pretty much everything else I'm gonna talk about here will be linked on our Shop My and in our Amazon storefront as well. That's a great way to support the channel so we can make more videos like this. So thank you in advance. Now, let's get to the rest of the stroller. First thing, we added on a cup holder. I did get the one that had the phone holder as well. So whoever's pushing the stroller gets the cup holder. That's the rule. We also ordered this, the j.buraczenski family sign. Got this on Etsy. I love it. We'll use this on all of our future trips. And we put Cameron's first visit button as well. And fun fact, I mean, I know pretty much everybody knows about the free buttons you can get, the first visit, the celebratory ones, the anniversary pins, whatnot. But if you go to Ye Olde Christmas Shop in Magic Kingdom, you can have it customized because my handwriting's not very nice. So this is like more of a souvenir keepsake type button, which is great. Then a carabiner is a must. I got a set of 2 of these like heavy duty ones. We've seen strollers all throughout the parks that have so many of these, and they all have like big water bottles hanging off of them so everybody in the family can have one, but this is great. And what I did was attach things that we would use the most in the parks. So I had a very cute Mickey hand sanitizer, so I could sanitize my hands before taking Cameron out of the stroller. Anytime I needed it, it was right there. We also have a portable sound machine. So whenever Cameron was gonna nap in the stroller, we could take this off and put it in there if he needed help kind of drowning out all of the theme park noise. And then this one, I have loved this, and this has been one of the best things that we did. I just bought this on Etsy. So cute, Toy Story theme, but things that I was gonna need a lot throughout the day. So anytime I was taking Cameron into the bathroom or the baby care center to change him, I would just pop this off and go in with him. So it had wipes, bunch of diapers. I got these Mickey and Minnie like disposable diaper changing pads. I know our diaper bag came with like a reusable changing pad, but the idea of using it in some of these places, like even the airport, and then putting it back into the diaper bag and like contaminating everything else, I was like, no. So I did get these disposable ones. I have pacifier wipes because the amount of times pacifiers have hit the ground, you don't want to then have to like get your bag out and get a wipe. So have that easily accessible. Diaper paste spray for Cameron so that we didn't have to deal with like getting our hands dirty, whatnot. Another hand sanitizer so that when I'm in the bathroom with him, I can sanitize my hands before and after touching him. A little bit of baby Aquaphor. He has some rash on his face that we've been dealing with. And then I got this little fan that when I wear the baby carrier, I can clip it on, or when I had my like crossbody thing, kind of a fan for myself. But that is everything in here. We also have a fan here for Cameron. Now we had bought a more powerful one right before the trip, but because of how the stroller's set up and it clips on here, it was like so close to his face that like kind of a, I don't want to say weaker fan, but like not like the heavy duty fan was what he preferred. When we put the other one on, he did not like it. So that's what we've been going with for this trip specifically. And then we have our little bit of storage at the bottom of this stroller. So a couple of things in here. This has probably saved us so many times, but everybody has these like giant bags from Home Goods or wherever you've gotten them. But pack one, fold it up, keep it at the bottom of your stroller. Because when you get on a Disney bus, you have to fold up your stroller completely to get on the bus. You don't have to do that when you're getting on a monorail, boat, Skyliner. But for the buses, you need to be able to fold it. When you're carrying a little baby, you run out of hands very quickly. So we take this, we shove everything from the stroller into this bag, and it makes things so much easier. So today we left Animal Kingdom, took the diaper bag, put it in here, took the rain cover, put it in here, and undid this whole carabiner into the bag. Then it folded real nice. We got on the bus. So that is a great tip. You definitely do want the rain cover though. So we actually came with a sunshade as well. We've never taken it into the parks, have not used it, but the rain cover, yes, is a must. And I think the thing is, if you're about to like leave your stroller and go on a couple rides, you might just want to toss this on in case, because there are times you go into a ride, you come back, oh no, it's been downpouring for 10 minutes, now your stroller is soaked. So better safe than sorry. And this is the one that is from Inglesina as well. So they make one specifically for the stroller so it fits. It's not just like a generic one off Amazon. So this has been really great to keep the stroller dry so that our son Cameron is comfortable. And last but not least, we have the handy dandy diaper bag. So we're not keeping diapers or wipes in this, even though it's a diaper bag, because we have that extra little bag with us. So this is kind of everything else that you could think of that you might need in a theme park. So I have my wallet, and I have a portable charger for your phone because you use your phone so much and you're going to run out of battery a lot faster than you think using the My Disney Experience app all day. Then the only thing that I don't have in here currently that we take into the park is in here I will put 3 bottles with water already in them, ready for formula. We do this every morning because we wash the bottles at night, they dry overnight, and we grab them in the morning. That is the only thing we are packing in the morning. This is like the biggest tip I can say to you. When you get back from the park, restock all of this right then and there, because in the morning, everything is so hectic, and it's like once the baby's up, you're feeding them, changing them, then you wanna get going. If you then have to like spend their only like 1 hour wake window after they're done eating to pack up, and then it's like, you've already kind of missed the morning at that point. So restock everything that you can, which is what we did when we got back today. Andy was on cam duty and I restocked everything. We also have the formula dispenser. We bring at least 3 bottles with us into the park. Now this is like my necessities case since I don't take a bag anymore. His bag is my bag. So this just kind of has like a sunscreen stick, deodorant, Advil, chapstick, hairbrush, hair elastic, Band-Aids, chafing gel, dude wipes. Gotta love a dude wipe, especially getting spit up on. I've been spit up on and peed on today. Dude wipes help. We have burp cloths. Bring at least 17 if you have a spit uppy baby like us. Little baby headphones, which make our son look like Princess Leia. He slept through Indiana Jones Spectacular. He slept through Zootopia with these on. So I say they work pretty well. He finds them comfortable, like he's not complaining when we put them on. So that helps if you're gonna stay for fireworks, you want this. Hello, sweet boy. Binkies and the binky holder, pacifier clip. Do you know that Binkies, by Binkies I mean pacifiers? It's just what we call it. Also have, just in case, a thermometer, more Aquaphor, and Ms. Mouth stain pen. Also just have some wet ones. I have 2 outfits. Yes, we went through 2 outfits today at Animal Kingdom. So always good to have extra. It's also worth throwing in an extra t-shirt for yourself. Now I did bring little baby shoes. Is somebody just like really happy? Yeah. I did bring baby shoes as well because I read somewhere that sometimes the rides will be strict about everybody needs to wear shoes. So far we've been to 3 of the 4 main parks and no one's asked, but I think I'd rather have them on me. Then this is like a little wet bag container, which was very handy today when we needed to change outfits for him to put everything that was soiled in there. Also have ponchos for Andy and I in here, baby sunscreen, baby sunglasses, and I think the only other thing is we bring water bottles into the park with us as well. So every morning when we leave the hotel room, we'll grab a couple and throw them in the stroller. Andy also does like to bring a backpack, but it's not a kid's backpack. It honestly has like filming equipment for us, our nice camera, the Osmo, the GoPro. He might shove some extra waters in there, a fan for himself in there, but it's kind of not like what we're bringing in the park for our child's type bag. It's like Andy's security blanket. If you've watched any of our videos, like he always has that gray backpack on. But there's one other thing. The very first day at Magic Kingdom, I also took this. This is my baby carrier. I wore it to carry Cam onto the bus. So I was like, I think it's with the heat. Like I even bought one that's like kind of meshy see-through material from Mom Cozy, and it's been great. This was very handy in the airport, absolutely loved it. But I think just like it's so hot, it's August right now in Disney, that I was getting overstimulated wearing him, that I'd rather just pick him up and get on the attraction than go through the process of putting this on and having him like right on me. But I put it in this bag and it was just one other thing that we clipped on and was very easy. It wasn't making our stroller tilt or anything. And then again, it was very easy to just shove everything in here and be able to get on the bus. Someone got a little antsy. Someone wanted to be in the video. Hello, little guy. Would you like to wrap up the video? Go ahead. Go ahead. Anyway, that is everything that we bring with us into the theme parks. If you yourself would like to take your kids to Walt Disney World, which is definitely something that I think you should do, the best time to go is right now. Don't wait until they get older. The best time is always now. But if you would like to go, I am a travel agent. It is completely free to work with one. So if you're interested in getting some no obligation quotes for Walt Disney World and seeing what a trip could possibly look like for your family, I'll put my email address in the video description below. We'll also have a lot of other videos coming out, especially a big tips video, because again, we have thought of so many things that can help families like you travel to Walt Disney World. It can be overwhelming, but it can be done, and done happily. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos.